If you're looking to build your sneaker collection in 2025, these need to be it. Let's go ahead and unbox these Balenciaga runners that might just be better than retail. In 2025, the runner wave is dominating the streets right now, guys. From Asics gel Kayanos to Bottegas, the tech runner look is everywhere. And Balenciaga helped pioneer that bulky post sneaker look. So that's why I picked these up from copshoe.ru, and we're gonna be breaking them down in hand today. First, starting off from the details, guys, there's a lot of branding on here. To the stitching and the distressing is really key because that Asics look needs to be perfect. There we have the distressing leading onto the heel of the shoe, not being too out of place, and then you have the runner on the midsole. The chunky midsole is a plus, guys, for the summer. You guys are gonna need that, trust me. It's breathable, but being chunky, it helps. Comfortable designer shoe I've worn in a long time. So right here we have the 46 on the toe box, correct. It leads on to the top of the shoe. Mesh toe box has leather and mesh upper. The mesh is breathable with the leather being supreme. Really can't complain about these guys. With this leather right here, it feels premium leather with the mix. It's like a great construction vibe. I love it. Onto the other side, the mesh and patent leather upper with the distressing panels. On the back, you have the branding as well as the sizing on there. The Balenciaga looks great. Saturn, the placement, font size, branding. They did a great job on these. So Cop Shoes has always been a go-to for mine for a minute. I believe I put them in my top 5 video as an honorable mention, so go check them out. Alright, y'all, so that's it for the video. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and comment favorite movie. I need to see who's locked in with me, you feel me? Who's calling on Chris? Other than that, like, comment, subscribe for your boy. Also, let me know what sneakers I should review next, and I'll see y'all in the next one.